Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super relaxing and special because we are decorating the cover of my 2026 journal. I have been waiting to start this one and I really want the cover to feel bright, warm and full of good energy for the upcoming year. So let's sit back, pick some stickers and create something beautiful together. Okay, so I'm starting with choosing the stickers. The cover of my journal is maroon, so I want colors that pop, nothing too dull nor vintage this year. Let me see. All these stickers are very nice. I have lot of aesthetic and vintage stickers here, but that's not my vibe for 2026. I want this journal to feel lovely, something that makes me smile the moment I pick it up. Let me check in my other wallet. Oh, I like this flower print, very soft and elegant. And then I think I love this one also. And this red winter kind sticker, I love this one. It matches winter vibe and also blends with the maroon cover. And this bow sticker, I'm definitely using this. This one, this little vintage bird inside a circle frame, I really think the whole round vibe of it breaks the straight edges of other stickers. And then this, maybe this retro tape. Even this little cartoon sticker looks cute. I don't know if I'll paste all of them, but I'll keep them on the side and see later. I find all these very cute, but of course I cannot use each one of them. Yeah, I think that's it from this. Now, from my mini tin box, I want to select few more pieces. This red flower, yes, I love this shape. And this green sticker looks nice. I think I'll use this one instead of the yellow tape. So I'll keep the yellow one back. I also like these green and this blue small stickers. They actually match the theme more than I expected. And OMG, this rabbit sticker, it's just adorable. I want this on the cover for sure. I might pick a few more later, but for now, I think I have a good bunch. Okay, now I'm just arranging everything to see how it looks. This part always takes time because I keep shifting things around until it feels right. I like placing the big stickers first, then adding small ones to fill the gaps. I want this cover to reflect what I want from 2026. Something brighter, more hopeful, more creative. Maybe I'm decorating the cover now, but in a way, I'm also setting my intention for the year. So now I'll start sticking them all. While I'm sticking these stickers, let me tell you something. Every time a new year comes closer, I feel this quiet excitement inside me. It's like the year is still hidden behind a curtain, and I'm also slowly pulling it open. I don't know what 2026 will bring, but in this moment, like this, when I'm decorating my journal's cover, I feel like I am preparing a little home for all my thoughts, all my dreams, and all the tiny pieces of life that I'll experience in the upcoming year. When I was younger, I used to think journals were supposed to be perfect. Perfect handwriting, perfect pages, perfect ideas. But over the years, I realized journals are not supposed to be perfect. They are supposed to be honest. Some years my journals were full of messy handwriting, some years full of doodles, some years I barely wrote anything and the pages stayed almost empty. But when I look back at each one, I see storylines of different versions of me. The me who was happy, the me who was confused, the me who was learning, and sometimes the me who just trying to keep going. I think that's why decorating this cover feels special. It's not just stickers. It's like I am preparing a doorway into a new chapter. Like the bird sticker, as you can see, I love how it looks. But it also reminds me that I want to feel free in 2026. Free to try new things, free to express myself more, free to enjoy the small moments. And the bunny sticker, it's cute, but it also reminds me to stay soft, to stay gentle with myself. Sometimes we are too harsh on our own mistakes, right? Maybe in 2026, I want to be more patient with myself, give myself time, allow myself to grow slowly. And the bow sticker makes me think of celebration. I hope 2026 brings little surprises, the sweet ones, the ones that come on random days and just make you smile. And while I'm placing these green and blue stickers, I am thinking about balance. The last few years felt a bit chaotic at times, like life was running and I was catching up behind it. In 2026, I want to slow down. I want to enjoy slow mornings, slow journaling sessions, slow cup of coffee, just living gently without rushing everything. Sometimes I also think about how much can change in 1 year. Like today, I'm sitting here decorating this journal. Last year, at the same time, I had no idea where I would be. And next year, I might be somewhere completely different again. Life is funny that way. You never know which moment becomes important later. Maybe this year journal will capture something special in 2026. Maybe a new project, a new habit, a new version of myself. Who knows? Every sticker I paste feels like a tiny intention, a tiny wish, a tiny promise to myself. I don't know what I'll write inside yet. Maybe daily journaling, maybe art, maybe ideas for my channel, maybe memories. But I know whatever I write, I'll belong to this little book. This little maroon cover filled with colors and stickers and hope. Honestly, I love that this cover is brighter than my usual ones. It makes me feel like maybe 2026 will be a brighter year too. Maybe it will bring more joy, more clarity, more creative moments, more peace. I guess I'll only know the year goes on. But right now, in this moment, decorating this cover, I feel calm, I feel hopeful, and I feel ready for whatever 2026 bring. So this is how the cover turned out. I really love it. I hope watching this was relaxing or inspiring for you. And if you are decorating your 2026 journal too, tag me or let me know. I would love to see your cover ideas. Thank you so much for spending these 10 minutes with me. I'll be back with more journaling videos, spreads, and ideas. Till then, take care, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.